Hi, my name is Sarah and I'm the co-founder of Hopskotch. We have just received our second iteration print that we did with Scan-Xpress again, and it was invaluable for us to have this step in our production process and to see the 3D cup in real life, not just in our imagination or 2D. We went through the intended use once, and we already at that point identified a couple of design iterations that we really need to do and incorporate in our next step in order to make it a very valuable and useful product for the consumer. And I don't think we would have even realized of this issue if we wouldn't have had the 3D print version. So the quick prototyping, absolutely invaluable for us and definitely a crucial step before we go into any mass manufacturing for the product.